oral diseases such as dental cavities and periodontal diseases are largely preventable through simple, consistent habits and early professional care. Preventive approaches reduce disease and financial burden, preserve natural teeth, and improve overall health outcomes. Here are 8 practical reasons why prevention is always better than cure when it comes to oral health, and overall health as well. Number 1. It stops disease before it begins. Brushing twice a day with fluoride toothpaste removes bacteria and strengthens enamel, preventing small decay spots from turning into painful cavities that require fillings or root canals. Good oral hygiene stops plaque buildup, which is the main cause of cavities. Initial stages of disease, patients avoid irreversible damage to tooth structure and supporting tissues. Number 2. It avoids painful and costly treatments. Dental procedures such as fillings, root canals, and extractions are often invasive and may weaken the tooth over time. Preventive care like regular checkups and cleaning is significantly less expensive than fillings or surgical treatments. Treating dental disease is often more expensive and uncomfortable than preventing it. A regular dental checkup and cleaning, every 6 months, can detect early decay. This avoids needing a root canal later, which is more painful, time-consuming, and expensive. Number 3. It prevents progression of gum disease or periodontitis. Untreated gingivitis can progress to periodontitis, leading to bone loss and tooth mobility. Gum disease can lead to tooth loss if untreated, but it is highly preventable. Flossing daily removes food particles between teeth where brushing cannot reach, preventing swollen gums and bleeding that may progress to severe gum infection. Number 4. It preserves natural teeth and function. Preventive care helps maintain dentition, avoiding the need for dentures, bridges, or implants. Natural teeth function better than artificial replacements. Natural teeth are more efficient for chewing, speaking, and maintaining jaw structure than prosthetic replacements. Maintaining proper oral hygiene reduces the risk of tooth extraction. This helps avoid dentures or implants later in life. Number 5. It reduces risk of systemic diseases and supports overall systemic health. Poor oral health is linked to conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and respiratory infections. Preventing oral infections through brushing and professional cleaning may help reduce bacteria from entering the bloodstream, lowering the risk of complications for patients with diabetes. Number 6. It enables early detection of oral conditions. A dentist may detect a small crack or early-stage cavity during routine exams, which can be treated with a simple filling instead of extraction. Routine dental visits allow early diagnosis of dental caries, oral cancer, malocclusion, and other conditions before they worsen. Number 7. It improves quality of life and confidence. Maintaining good oral hygiene prevents bad breath or halitosis, helping individuals feel more confident in social and professional interactions. Preventing oral disease avoids pain, bad breath, and functional limitations that negatively affect daily living. Good oral health enhances comfort, aesthetics, speech, and self-confidence. Number 8. It promotes lifelong healthy habits. Teaching children to brush properly twice a day reduces their risk of lifelong dental problems and creates routine oral care behavior into adulthood. Prevention builds consistent oral hygiene habits from childhood to adulthood that benefit long-term health. For recap, prevention is simpler and less painful. It is more affordable. And it supports overall health. Take a pause and reflect on these questions. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and notification bell for more oral health education videos.